guys? Bong here from London. Now, meron po tayo mga bagong prospects, no, na nag-sign up na as a distributor dito po sa Shopping Sherlock. So, nagtatanong po sila kung ano po ang next nilang gagawin. Okay? Well, importante po ito na turuan natin sila kung ano po ang susunod nilang gagawin after they have signed up as a distributor. Okay, unang-una po, number one po talaga, no? Okay, wag po muna tayo mag-invite. Please, in the next 24 hours, wag po muna tayo mag-invite. The first thing to do po is not to invite. Call friends, talk to people. Wag po muna. Ang pinakauna po natin gagawin, guys, is to invest yourself. Develop your skill. Learn the business. Okay, pag-aralan po muna natin yung ating pong product, ating business plan. Okay, nandun lang po yan sa website. Kung gusto niyo po pong magkaroon po ng mga karagdagang information po sa ating business, just connect po muna with your upline leader, si Power or si Global. Okay, learn first the business. Invest to yourself, develop the skill, especially po yung skill of inviting. Okay, so yan po yung una, learn first, develop your skill first, dito po sa ating Shopping Sherlock na business. Okay, now the second thing to do po is to invite your friends. Okay, mag-invite po tayo. Una po, gamitin po natin yung telepono, to call or to invite our friends, and be excited all the time. When you speak to people over the phone po, dapat po merong excitement, meron pong energy yung ating boses. Kasi po, pagka medyo malumanay, medyo malungkot ang boses mo, hindi po tayo nakaka-attract ng tao. Okay? Halimbawa, sabihin natin, hello, Pedro, meron akong gustong share sa iyo na magandang opportunity. Baka open ka. Parang parang monotonous, wala po siya masyadong energy. So hindi po tayo nakaka-attract ng gusto. So I suggest be energetic, be passionate po in inviting people. And there are two things happening pag kayo po ay nag-invite over the phone. Unang-una po ay dapat just create curiosity. The first reason to use the phone is to just invite them and create curiosity. Don't explain everything over the phone. Wag po natin i-explain yung product sa business po, And the only thing that you have to say is ask them if they are open for another extra income na hindi naman po makakasagabal sa kanilang ginagawang employment or businesses. Okay? So just create an curiosity. Okay? Secondly po, set an appointment. Either in a coffee shop, okay? Or pwede rin po sa home meeting, or pwede rin po sa webinar. Okay? Home meeting, coffee shop, webinar, or sa hotel meeting. But don't explain po everything over the phone. Just set an appointment. Okay? Sana po you get value from that, and I'll speak to you soon doon po sa ating mga next training. Bye for now. Again, this is Bong, proud to be Shopping Sherlock.